What's up? Yes, sir.
Do some runs? Yeah? I think we're going to do some on the way to Detroit.
All right.
And I'm going to get some food too. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry as hell.
Yeah, I'm ready to eat. Are we going downtown? I think so. Then you get in the lane. The fourth and last rule is keep the flow of traffic. If you're watching the races, continue to do 70 miles an hour. Please pick up the pace and keep up the pace. Because we're losing part of the pack by them doing 45, 50 miles an hour just cruising down the road. Yeah, like if you see people taking a run, try to keep up the pace. Don't just creep down and like say you're slowing down. Because yesterday I broke it down to 45 miles an hour for 3 miles and nobody caught up. I wasn't understanding. So those are the only things that I'm asking, and I'm asking everybody to follow that because we got to make it home safely to all our families.
Our Father in heaven, I ask you to watch over us as we go on the street and have a little fun. Please bless us. Lord of Jesus. Amen.
All right, let's get it, boys.
This is what you call brotherhood right here. This is what you call bike life. This is exactly what it means right here. That looks like Killmonger helping out Easy. It looks like he's trying to help him out, zipping his jacket up. It seems like every bike here is set up to roll. Everyone's strapped, lowered in some way. Know what he dropped. Something fell off his bike. every single spot we go to in Detroit so far, there's been a chicken spot and a fish spot attached to it. Detroit, people in Detroit, can you please answer this question for me? What is up with y'all and chicken spots connected to your gas stations and fish spots connected to your gas stations? Like, y'all have an overabundance of chicken or something? Like, I've never seen this many chicken spots, at least not in PA. And we're like out in the outskirts somewhere, like somewhere in the country. Somebody's 360 camera fell off their bike. We stopped, picked it up, we got lost from the path, and now we're out in the country. It's a little different out here. This is kind of like PA in a way. Yo, what up?
Connected.
Yeah, we're on our way down there now. We're on our way down into the city. Yeah, send me the address, bro. Alright, bro, man. Alright. Just hit 2,000 miles on my brand new BMW S1000RR. Actually, 2001. I think the camera caught it before it hit 2001. And we're on our way into downtown Detroit. I'm not sure what to expect. It seems like the further you go out away from the city, the roads are way better. I think this is 75 that we're on right now. And this road is actually one of the best roads that I've been on since I've been here. I just want to see what the city looks like at night. I'm hungry, I'm trying to get some food. So we're getting close to downtown, it looks like. There's a Detroit Pistons sign over there. We valeting the bikes or what? No? Alright. Welcome to Detroit. So, it's 3 minutes away.
So we're going this way.
Okay. Yeah, we'll be there in 3 minutes. You still at the same spot? Alright. Alright, we're pulling up in 3 minutes. Alright, bet. So we are in Detroit, dead center in the city right now. Hey, yo, peep that. Wow. What's up, man? How you doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's happening? Okay. All right, yeah, break it down. All right. Yes, sir. Whatever you said, dude. I don't know. So we're kind of just winging it right now. Don't know where we're going. So we finally made it. Damn.
We're gonna shoot down the street to the other spot real quick so we can start getting some food and shit.
Okay. gas station is lit. Super lit. Super lit. Yeah. Okay. Pittsburgh don't got this. I mean, I complained about the roads, but as far as like the litness, we don't got the litness like this.
One thing about me, I'm gonna give me some cash. One thing about you, you gonna sit on your ass. For you, but it's nothing to me.
He stopped us on the side of the road, and this is the building from the TV show Martin. That's my era. I came up watching Martin every Thursday night, I believe it was, man. We're circling around trying to find another food spot, man. We're hungry as hell. It's lit downtown. Yes, sir. Detroit nightlife is it's different.
It's Saturday night. It's lit out here. It's different. I keep saying it's different.
It's definitely different. It's definitely well, I don't know. I haven't seen everything yet, but as far as Pittsburgh goes, it's different for sure. You said what? I know, right? good, bro? Are we posting up or something or what? He said, gotta go, gotta get your ass out. Oh, okay. Okay.
Eagle security.
Well, that ended quickly. But we're just gonna watch these cars pull out though. Nice little spearmint paint job on that thing. On the box. And got some gold on this one. Yes, sir. You too. Yes, sir. All right. Well, that's a wrap for that. There go the mayor over there. I swear to God, he's the mayor. The mayor of Detroit. Easy motherfucking E. Everywhere we go, he's like, yo, giving hugs and shit, kissing babies and all that. I had to tell him that. I'm like, bro, you're the mayor. He said, why you say that? I'm like, bro, everywhere we stopped, you've seen somebody you knew, or they knew you, whatever. We're gonna start calling you 25 cent from now on. This man got a quarter stuck in his gas tank. Oh, that's the police? I thought that was just security.
Oh, bro, that dead ass cop.
Oh, that's Detroit finest.
We're just like, yeah, fuck you.
We're waiting on the mayor, like.
Man, we don't even matter to him.
Oh, here he come.
No, he about to come over here. Yeah, I was just about to say he's rolling over here now.
But technically, we're not even like in the way though.
No,
everybody was at the pumps and shit, just sitting there. So we just happened to make it, like, thank God. don't know. I had 7 miles to empty.
Really?
Yeah.
How you don't feel hot? You feeling cold?
My hands were burning.
You were using the grip?
Yeah, they're like really
Man, I wish I had the grip, bro. Cause I'm cold as fuck.
You are?
I'm cold as fuck.
Yeah, my hands were burning. Everything else is fucking cold.
I had to pull over and piss. I had to piss so bad. That beer.
Oh, that's why you...
Yeah, that's why. When you were calling me, I seen you pull over. I was like, I'll just go up. All right. So we're wrapping up this Detroit trip. It was definitely a humbling experience, and I say that because I feel like this first trip out of town with the bikes, with the crew, I feel like it taught us, different people's cities and, just being around different people like we normally are, but at the same time, loading the bikes up, just traveling in a different city. There's a few times where we kind of had to pull over and rely on GPS and stuff like that, which is fine. We normally do that, even sometimes in our home state. It just taught us a lot on what to do for the future, how to plan better, different kind of spots we can go to or seek out and things like that. I feel like I wanted to do a little bit more, but all in all, it was definitely a good trip. I don't regret coming at all. I appreciate Easy for having us. I'm inviting us to his house as well. The BMW event at the dealership was something very, very great. I met a lot of people there. A lot of people, of course, I've seen on social media and things like that, but I've actually got to talk to them and see exactly, just catch their vibe and see exactly what they're doing and just stuff behind the scenes that you don't see or don't get to know seeing them behind the camera. Detroit nightlife. Now, Detroit nightlife, as you've seen, the nightlife here is a little bit different than Pittsburgh. And hey, it is what it is, people, different state, people do different things. So we're packing up right now. There is another event going on today. I'm not sure if we're gonna even make that. It's kind of a little far. It's like in the opposite direction of where we're going. We're going back to Pittsburgh. So getting stuff loaded up. Gonna probably get something to eat and get on the road. It is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I know I'm gonna get home and try to get some time in with my kids as well, and maybe go get something to eat because I'm hungry right now. Yeah, we're about to get going, and my man Austin K-Powell got his Gixxer here. It's set up really nice. It's nothing too crazy, but he does got the strap on there. It is flashed and tuned. Axle kind of pushed all the way back to the rear. I seen this bike 2 years ago. We rode with him whenever he came down to Pittsburgh. Now it's set up really nice, full Acura exhaust. And actually, we're gonna call this bike Piggy Bank. We're calling this bike Piggy Bank, and there's a reason why. So my man dropped a quarter in his piggy bank last night. How? I do not know. So it's like a 1 in a millionth chance of him dropping that in the gas tank.
Right
so
into the gas tank.
Right in there, man.
If you've seen over the past weekend how my bike is called Piggy Bank now, I'm about to show you why. First is the backstory. We were at the gas station in Detroit. I was about to fill up gas. Open my gas tank up, take my wallet out. A quarter somehow comes out of my wallet and goes straight into the hole. Well, now we gotta retrieve it. I bought this from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna get the gas out of the tank, and then we gotta take the tank off and get the quarter out. Where's the fucking quarter? Everything. Take the whole bike apart. We gotta go to Harbor Freight and get some tools. There's the quarter. Now we're about to put her back together.
So from now on, if you see this bike on any video, comment down below and call it Piggy Bank, because this is the true Piggy Bank right here.
This is how you start the morning. Crown apple and a country time strawberry lemonade. It's the only way. You'll be like, damn, big alcoholic, man, he come out with no food.
My man brushed his teeth with that.
this morning.
I mean, he bathed with it last night. That's where half of it went. Like one of those. If you want this thing, look good. We about to drink it on the way home.
No, I ain't drinking that. I need some food first. I need some food. We need the food.
So that lady probably think I'm crazy. I'm at the front desk with a...
And that's not even his bottle.
Got super glue, a bottle, and some lemonade.
Looking a hot mess.
She's like, God damn, he woke up and grabbed the shit you needed.
Funny as hell. Alright, I gotta put my bags up.
I've been so long, Detroit.
Yeah, so what do you rate Detroit out of 10?
I was gonna say, what's the scale?
1 out of 10, so let's go.
Okay. I'll give Detroit, I'll give it a 5.
Wow.
Yeah.
Generous, okay.
Yeah, the roads alone, how bad they are, knocked off too. And then, yeah, everything else. The city was great, a little wild. I wouldn't want to be down there every day, but something to experience. Like, it was a good experience. So yeah, overall, I'll give it. I'll say it's halfway there. It's not something I'm dying to come back to.
Right, exactly. Yep.
Not ride. Definitely not ride these streets again.
Right, right. All right, so what do you give Detroit? 1 through 10?
Probably 6 or 7.
Oh, damn. 6
Maybe.
or a 7?
Maybe.
Okay.
Nashville's definitely better. Same with Florida.
Okay.
Yeah, Ohio.
Florida gets it like 9 for me.
Yeah.
Florida hits everything, all the marks for me.
Okay.
And I need to bring my bike down there and ride it.
Okay. Well, 6 or a 7, that's pretty generous because when we first came here, I gave it a 3. So, what do you give Detroit?
5 was a fair assessment.
Okay.
Shit roads.
The typical complaint.
I personally didn't get no racing. There was something else. Oh, I ain't gonna say that one.
Yeah, don't say the Nuggets. Don't talk about
the Nuggets. If you know, you know. I mean, there's only a few of us here who know what we're all talking about, but
I mean, there's definitely some nice bikes out here, that's for sure. There's
sure.
Fast,
Yeah.
nice cars too.
yeah, oh yeah, for sure.
Motor City.
For sure. That's
Yeah.
They're holding that down, keeping the old school shit. I 5 is fair, bro. It's 5.
5.
All right.
Five.
Roads.
So 5, 6 or a 7,
He settled on 6.
and I don't know, man. Like, I don't want to jump on the bandwagon or anything, but I feel like maybe I'm gonna say a 5. After experiencing like some smoother roads, like I said before, it made it a little bit better. But it really makes you appreciate like where you're from, because I mean, in Pennsylvania, some spots that we're from, we got some bumpy, shitty roads. But these roads they're fucked up.
Yeah.
And it's like, how do you even ride comfortably without messing your bike up? So I'm like, all right, I take that back what I said about Pennsylvania or Pittsburgh, where we're from. I feel like I can't wait to get back there. I can't wait to jump on this new bike and put out some new content. So that being said, we're about to hit the road at some point here, get some food. Subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok, same name. Most of you guys already know this already. I say this all the time. And yeah, we'll check in a little bit when we hit the road. All right, bro. Nice seeing you.
You as well.
Be careful.
You too.
You got to come down to Pittsburgh for sure.
Hey, I'm giving you shit next time. He said we had to come to the races tomorrow, and you're not even going. Look at you.
Be careful, bro. All right. Pit stop number 1 on the way back. I don't even know where we're at. What part of Ohio is this? We're being, I don't know what part we're in right now. So we're in a rest stop.